G'day viewers. We're often asked here at Solar Doctor Savers, do I need to have maintenance done on my solar system? Well, I'd like you to show you a couple of things here. I'm just on a job here today, and this will probably answer a few of your questions. So this particular job has never had any service done on it. It's going on about 10 years old now. So let's have a look what we've got. I'll just turn the camera around. Oh, I won't turn the camera around. Anyway, so here we go. First and foremost, we have what they call the rooftop isolator. This turns the system off if you need to isolate it for any reason. Now this particular one is severely water damaged. Now these things can and do catch on fire. So this is a known risk for us. I'm removing this out of the system because we can now with the new standards. Let's go for a bit of a walk. Here we go. Typical solar system. Again, it's up on the roof, it's out of sight, it's out of mind. We've got a few issues here. The tree here is going to be shading the system. This is going back 10 years or so when it was installed. The tree wasn't an issue. Let's go for a bit of a walk. Oh, what have we got here? There we go, perfect example. Now the owners would never have known about this. So here we go. This is what we have going on here. Now that's a shattered panel. Again, they can and do catch on fire. Now I was on a job a week and a half ago, and we had 3 panels that had totally caught on fire and totally disintegrated. Now it wasn't until like maybe a year or year and a half after that the owners actually got in touch with us to come out and have a look at see what's wrong with their system. So in short, if you've invested all this money on your solar, and just like every other major asset you'd ever buy, get the thing looked at least every 2 years to see what's going on. If you catch these things early, you may save yourself a lot of cost and a lot of heartache. So that's it from me. Solar Doctor over and out. See you next time.